Hey everybody, it's Corey from Linda's Electric Quilters, and I am here today along with my grandma, thank you so much for joining me, to look at how she does these cute little burp rags. I guess it's just that season. I don't know what it is, but a lot of my friends are having babies, a lot of people in our family are having babies, so I think this works well for us, and we hope it works well for you as well. So with this pattern, I know that you have this cute little piece that you just kind of and you've worked off this for a long time. You said so
most of my grandkids on this one. I had a different one for the kids.
I like this pattern. Okay, so tell me kind of where we get started with this.
Okay, on these the finish size is 7.5 by 16.
Okay,
this is my master pattern. A half a yard makes you 2 complete burp rags. Okay, the reason I have it in the center, thinner in the center, is that it works better on my shoulder.
Okay.
And then it gives me the space.
Oh, I see.
I use reversible so that I can choose different colors, or on our case tonight is the same color on both sides.
Okay.
Okay. So remember, half a yard will give you 2 complete.
Okay.
But we're only going to cut 1 out tonight.
So we're doing a half a yard of fabric, and this is just a standard 44 or 45 inch wide fabric.
Correct.
Okay.
Right. And so we're just going to see which the best way to.
Whatever's easier for you.
Can you see that?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to cut it out.
I'm just taking a standard rotary cutter.
Yeah, just whatever rotary cutter.
Nothing super precise. You're just
I'm just following around.
Like that. That's easy.
Makes it a little easier to do.
Okay.
So I will go all the way around this. I do 1/4 inch seam.
Okay. And everybody, while she's doing that, make sure you subscribe to our channel. It's going to be at the bottom right-hand corner. After you click on that subscribe button, make sure you click on the little bell that shows up so you can get notified whenever we post new videos or whenever we go live on our show After Hours. Love that. You're just working around that really easily. And another thing while she's doing that, this pattern that she has right here, a PDF version will be available on our website, longarmsupplies.net, courtesy of Grandma. So you'll be able to find that under the free digital download section. And then you can make these amazing burp rags with this quick little pattern right here.
They're fun to make. They're easy. And I love using all the different colors when I make them.
I love that.
So we'll move that out of the way.
Okay, so then we remove the pattern.
Correct.
Okay.
So I'm going to leave a small slit here in the center that I'm not going to sew on until I turn it over. So remember, right sides together.
Oh yeah, that'll make a difference on color there.
Right, because we're going to flip it inside out.
Okay.
So right sides together.
Got it.
I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do 1/4 inch seam.
Okay.
Ready? So your reverse button on yours
is down here.
Ah.
So you've got a nice 1/4 inch foot there, got a stitch length of 2, and you were just flying through that.
Yeah, the gas pedal, you know, I need to push on it more. I like going fast.
And just working around that.
Just work all the way around.
You could get these out really, really fast. A whole little set even for a quick thing. If you maybe forgot when you're on the way to the baby shower, you totally forgot a gift real quick, just whip some of these up real fast. And you're leaving whenever you're getting closer. You're leaving how many, 4 or 5 inches maybe?
Yeah.
Give or take?
Give or take.
Okay. And then you're doing that reverse stitch just to lock it in. And then we can cut off.
I didn't bring my scissors up here. On the 1/4 inch seam, you usually don't have as much issue, but I'm an old seamstress. My grandma taught me. So on your curves, take your scissors and cut.
Oh, well, let's see that. I bet you I can grab you some scissors real quick. Okay, so I found you some scissors, and these are your, I know you love these.
Yeah.
Okay, so show me what you mean by these little cuts.
So I go around the edges. Some people will cut just a slant.
Got it.
Okay, the other technique that a lot of people will do is make a V.
Oh.
Either way works. It depends on what you grew up doing.
Okay.
Usually on clothing I'll make more of a V, but on these, they're so quick and easy, I just usually go like this.
So explain to me the reasoning or the method behind these little cuts. What is this allowing it to do?
It allows your curves to lay nice and flat.
Oh, okay.
Without them, it can bundle up,
Right, because
or
the
you get little
tension.
bumps.
I gotcha. Okay.
So
And it's just
this,
on the curve. You don't have to do it on the
just
straight
on the
lines.
curve.
Okay.
Yeah, just on the curves.
And this is, you're kind of just eyeballing the distance between this at
Yeah.
a set size.
No, I
Okay.
do about an inch. Some people will measure, but
Okay.
what you're doing is, so when you turn it,
Mm-hmm.
you're allowing that full fabric to fold.
Gotcha. Okay. Just working around that.
Yeah.
I like that.
It just makes it easier.
Definitely.
Some people don't go this far, will go closer. Some people go farther.
It's just completely personal preference.
It's personal preference. It just allows it so the fabric will fold in on itself and give you a nice smooth curve.
Okay. Let's see. I like this.
So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to open this up. So I'm flipping it totally over.
Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes it likes to play, likes to fight you a little bit. So just
It's,
a little bit of a move in there.
anytime you do that, and you can leave a little wider curve. I've gotten used to doing it, and 2 or 3 inches is all I do.
Right.
So
Oh,
you
cute.
want this open.
Yep.
Some people will have like a seam thing that goes around here that helps lay the seam down.
Oh, yeah. Kind of
You
like
don't
a seam
have-
opening tool, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you don't have it, you want to make it so that it's nice and smooth.
Yeah, when we did our pillowcase video, I used a mechanical pencil and just went in there and kind of set it without the lead, obviously.
Right.
And just was able to smooth out those seams really nice.
Yeah, the seams lay nicer.
Yeah.
And
I definitely see what you meant by this, by perforating those edges. That looks a whole lot nicer. I don't see any bumps on that at all. That's just a nice, smooth edge. So that was a great tip.
so then afterwards, I always iron. I'm a
Okay.
big ironer.
Okay,
Again, that's the way my grandma taught me.
gotcha.
So, can you see me okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, the biggest thing is that I want my seam to be nice and smooth.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Sometimes it's easier just to open it up and go like this so you get a nice smooth. Then I bring it out and press it down.
Oh, okay.
So now my seam,
Nice and flat, nice and smooth.
yeah,
Okay.
nice and flat and smooth. Again, I do that all the way around. And that makes it so that I can do my top stitching,
Gotcha.
which
So
then allows...
I'm enthused by this iron trick that you just did. Can I see if I can do it?
Yeah,
I wanna
go for
see
it.
I like this idea here. And this we're using flannel.
Yes.
Here? Okay.
Yeah, we're using flannel, 100%
So-
cotton flannel.
So we have that nice open like that.
Mhm.
Taking this, pressing down.
Yeah.
A nice press.
Mhm.
Once that's done,
See,
folding it
it'll-
back. Oh, that's nice. And then pressing that.
Correct.
Oh, that was nice. Oh, that's beautiful compared
That
to
make
what it
it
was when
nice.
I was doing it a second ago.
So this, you fold in.
Okay.
Again, you're matching your 1/4 inch seams up.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get a view here. So we've got that flipped and then just matching. Okay, gotcha.
Right. And again, I press everything down because it makes it easier when I'm working on it to have it pressed.
Okay. I'm being careful not to burn your finger.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So I have it all nice and ironed out.
Okay.
Okay. I bring it back to the sewing machine.
Okay.
Now this, everybody will have a preference. For some people, it would be easier just to make a seam without a 1/4 inch pressure foot,
Okay.
or you make it with a 1/4 inch pressure foot. So since we already have that on tonight, we're just
Okay.
going to make it with that.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay.
And so the finish out on this, you're just doing straight line. You don't have to take this to a serger or anything.
No.
Oh, that's lovely.
No.
Yeah.
I did everything with the straight machine. That's what I started out with.
Okay.
I didn't get sergers until probably the 1980s or so.
Okay.
So this is the way I learned. In fact, I started on a treadle.
Oh, gotcha.
So the other thing that people may have a preference on, some will put a stitch right across here.
Okay.
Okay. Some will take and hand sew that.
That
It
opening
really
spot where you
depends,
flipped
the
it.
opening
Okay,
spot.
gotcha.
Because I'm usually doing a bunch of them, and I want to,
It's kind of more production style.
more
at that
production.
point, yeah.
And so I
do it.
close that just by making right at the edge.
Oh, okay.
And again, you can go all the way around.
Right, have like a double stitch, a
Yeah.
channel of
or
stitching.
you can do one. It just really depends on your time and what you're looking at.
Right.
But if you're matching your threads, you can see that it doesn't really show anymore.
Oh.
So like on this one, I did a double.
Right.
I did it that way on purpose because of the fabric I used on this side. It's a gauze, where this side is a flannel.
Okay.
Where on these here, I did a single.
Oh, okay, and then just that little cover stitch.
Then
right
that
there
little
to
cover-
lock it.
right.
Got it.
And so
if you wouldn't have pointed that out, I wouldn't even have noticed that there was either one there or not there. It's just a nice, easy. I love this. This is so cute.
so there's ones I did at times where I would embroidery right here,
Right.
or applique, depending on how fancy and what you're doing it for.
Right. Who it's going for, or if it's certain you for
Right.
a
Now,
charity
some
event
people
or
already
anything.
know what monograms and names.
Right.
You can put your name down here. I mean, there's several different ways, and I love the two-sided colors.
Yeah, you can have kind of multiple different things,
Because-
whatever you're in the mood for when it comes to color.
Right, and
like
this
that.
one is particularly, these are their colors for their baby room, so
Right.
this is what we made.
Oh, I love that. And then I love that cutout for your shoulder. That
Yeah.
just fits right there. That's nice.
Makes it nice.
Oh, beautiful. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining us and showing us how easy it is to quickly put together one of these beautiful burp rags. Make sure, again, that you go to our website, longarmsupplies.net, to grab that free digital download burp rag pattern courtesy of Grandma. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.